Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the GW55 Smartwatch. It is an outdoor sports smartwatch loaded with health and fitness functions. So we are going to explore more about the smartwatch, okay? Specifically pairing the support app for this wearable. So as you can see here, we have the QR code, and it is available in Android and iOS platform. So this is on Android platform. So we are going to show you on how to install the support app and of course pair it with the smartwatch. Okay, and let's see if there are some additional features. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, specifically the support app, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Okay, let's start and scan the QR code for the smartwatch. So we have here our smartphone. So let's look for the QR code. So let's see. Again, this tutorial is for the Android platform. So let's check and scan the QR code here. Okay, so we got the QR code. So it is a web address. So LiveFit. Okay, so the app is LiveFit. Okay, so open in browser. You can also search it on Google Play if you love or if you like. Okay, so we have here, okay, Google Play download. Let's go with this one. Okay, so it is opening Google Play and we have here the LiveFit. Let's see. So we have 5,000 downloads here. So it's a pretty new app. Let's see, we have some. It's okay. We have a good review here at least. Let's check. Okay. Let's check about the app. So here we have updated August 9, 2023. Released on August 4, 2022. Okay, just a year. So let's install the LiveFit application. Install. Again, we also have here, I think we also have a QR code here on the smartwatch, if I'm not mistaken. So we have here the QR code. Okay. So if you happen to lost your user manual, you can scan the QR code here on the smartwatch. So we are 41%. Let's wait. 50. So just 44.48 MB. Okay, lightweight support app for our GW55 smartwatch. So we're almost done. Let's wait, and it is now installing. Okay, it's done. Open the app. Here we have a user agreement and privacy policy. Agree. And I guess that's it. Okay. Later on, we are going to encounter some permissions. So here on the UI, we have the home page, sports, equipment, and mine. Tap on equipment. So here are the settings for your smartwatch. You can use this one, okay, or you can tweak this one if we add our smartwatch to the support app. So as you can see here, bind device. Tap on bind device. Let's see if it will activate our GPS as well as the Bluetooth. Okay, let's wait. It's loading. Okay, so it's a bit slow. Again, let's go back. Okay, as you can see here, there's a pop-up. Allow LiveFit to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow. Okay, what's next? Again, let's go back. Okay, so LiveFit is asking to turn on Bluetooth. Allow. Again, only this time. Allow LiveFit to make and manage phone calls. Another permission. Access photos and media on your device. Allow. And let's wait. Okay, it's searching for our smartwatch. The device is not searched. Click Bluetooth icon to search again. Let's see if we activated. Here, as you can see, the Bluetooth is activated. Okay, so there are some apps that is connected to our Bluetooth. Let's remove it first. Okay, I'm looking for a Bluetooth section. Okay, tap on it. So let's remove this and pair. Let's see if there's still some. Okay, this one, cancel. Okay, we have here the GW55. Let's see. LiveFit. Search. If not, we will remove the application or the smartwatch on the Bluetooth. Or we will activate the pairing manually. Okay, not search. What's going on with the app? Cancel. Connection. Then activate again. As you can see, our Fit Pro is connected here. If it tries to connect, as you can see here, it is connecting. We will uninstall our Fit Pro application. Okay, just to make sure. Uninstall. Okay, uninstalled Fit Pro. Let's see again. If not, again, we will manually add our smartwatch. We have to activate some Bluetooth here. Okay. Location. So it's really asking for our location permission. We already activated it. Okay, we have it here. I guess the location permission is the one. It's the culprit. Okay. So we have here the GW55 Smartwatch. So let's pair. And are we connected? Yes, we are connected. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. So allow access to contacts. Allow. And I guess we are paired, as you can see here. So let's see. Find device. Yes, it is vibrating. Okay. But there's no notifications here. Just a vibration. Then let's go with our first permission here or setup. Message notifications. Allow LiveFit to access your contacts. Allow. Let's see. We go with a Facebook. Okay. Allow. Then go back. Instagram. Okay. Not Instagram. Not Instagram. Okay. Line. WhatsApp application. Skype. Gmail. What else? Facebook. Short message. I guess this is SMS. Okay. And telephone notification. Okay. So I guess that's it for our GW55 and the LiveFit application. Okay, GW55, connecting it with its support app. So if you have any questions regarding the setup, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Before we end, again, as you notice, there are some issues, okay, with the GPS. So activate, make it clear that you activated the GPS, although you already allowed the permission, but still activate the GPS manually. Remove any other devices that is pairing with your smartphone. Okay, so that there will be no conflict when you pair your GW55 smartwatch with the support app. Goodbye.